Hello, good afternoon. How are you today? All is well? No, I'm doing fine. I'm doing fine. It's been a good day so far. Oh, yeah. No, we're actually trying to take care of that as we speak. But we just got to wait and be a little bit more patient. All right? No, you have a good day. Thank you so much. God bless you. Take care. Yo, blessings, my brother. How you stay? Everything balanced? No, man, how you chat say, man? Everything, how you deal with? Yo, me don't tell you already, say me I go sort it out, man. You can't pressure me, so call me a deal with the thing, me I make a call, me link the man over there, so him say him I go program it, so me have to just wait. You can't pray me because me done pray you before you pray me. No, man, just wait until the thing start out, man. You're more shaky. Alright then, here what? Things are gonna balance out, you hear that? Alright, big up yourself. Now see a word. Yeah, man, one link, man. Ah.